Reflect after you watch this video. Two traits that might be taken advantage of by other people or even your boss. Ready? Number one, highly conscientiousness. When you're organized, efficient, and able to finish tasks, go for extra mile for a task or a project, and sobrang goal-oriented ka, sobrang sipag ka rin sa trabaho, sa lahat ng bagay, talaga namang maaasahan ka, no? Don't get me wrong, this is a great trait to have, lalo na kung gusto mo ding ma-achieve o marami kang gustong ma-achieve sa buhay. Kailangan mo ng discipline and drive to do that. Now, this becomes dangerous if this trait is mixed with, second trait, agreeableness. Not just being agreeable, but highly agreeable. Ano nga ba ang agreeable? This is when someone is too polite, too kind and altruistic, meaning someone takes care of other people more than their own needs. And this, what I'm saying, dangerous. Kasi masipag ka, goal-oriented ka, pero hindi ka makasabi ng no sa ibang tao, sa mga request ng ibang tao. And this leads to burnout and exhaustion. Familiar ba? Someone might blame other people or environment because of its toxicity. Kasi totoo naman minsan, but let's be aware of our own pattern as well to take care of our own needs. Kasi or kesa naman magbulag-bulagan. I'm not saying that you should stop being diligent and helpful. I'm saying be aware and set boundaries.